Wrap milling with the cylindrical profiler in GibbsCAM 2023. For this we are using 1/2 inch end mill. We are selecting our cylindrical profiler. Here we are. We can adjust our profiler to the certain size to cut through features on the part. Let's have a look at operation number 1. We do our typical settings. An important setting actually is you have to go into the rotate tab, and we need to be in polar cylindrical milling, and we need to be also in the CX plane. So we set our feeds and speeds, our cut depths and so on, and then what we do, we select the profile that we want to cut through or using to do the milling. We do a redo. Here we are, we have our toolpath. Let's have a look in operation simulation. And now we see how the tool wraps around the part using the cylindrical profiler. Let's look at operation number 2. In this case, we adjusted the profiler to a smaller diameter so we can still cut through that boss or with the profiler, but also including those rings over here and there. Let's deselect that. We do redo, and let's have a look in operation sim again. Now we did the ring on the back side, and we now cut to the further depths down there to machine, still finish the pocket and also those rings back there. Now let's have a look at operation number 4. We're gonna do the milling of the pocket, and again we adjusted the profiler to a different diameter, cutting through that pocket. We select the shape of the pocket and have a look at simulation again. Now we're milling the pocket again with the profiler. And the last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna machine that groove here, selecting that profile ring and that profile ring. We'll redo and operation sim again. Do it, and here we go. We machine now that groove using those 2 circles with the profiler. This is how we do cylindrical profile wrapped milling in GibbsCAM 2023.